Alright, welcome to another trade recap where I hit 5 hour on gold. And I posted these setups in my free public Telegram and on my VIP Discord as well, where I essentially provide trade forecast, analysis, live trade management, entry and exit price. Yeah, so if there's something that you're interested, check out the link in the description below. And I'm doing a quick trade recap of the trades I took on Friday. Yeah. So if you've been following this channel for a while, you know that one of my favorite targets are equal highs and trend lines. Yeah, we can see that the trend line that was being built up here, most of it got taken out. And the same situation is like happening over here as well. So if I go to the 15-minute time frame, you're going to see that we've built up like triple Asia highs and also like another trend line over here as well on New York PM session. So I literally know for like 90% sure that this is going to get taken out just from my backtesting and live market experience. Yeah, so I'm not going to lie, the first trade I did end up, I did take one trade over here with the sweep of the current London low at that point of time, 5-minute inversion, and I was targeting these highs. Yeah, the reason I got stopped out was because we did not sweep Asia low yet. Yeah, but I still took the trade because sometimes we do not sweep Asia low and we just go higher. Yeah, but you don't know how price action is going to be every single time. But as long as you have a strong bias and you have a good idea of where the market is going to go, you just need to stick to your analysis. Yeah, don't give it too many tries though. Like I would say a maximum of 3 tries, like at the max. Yeah, and your second and third try should only be like after like something major happens, such as a sweep of like a session low, like over here. Yeah, like otherwise I would not just randomly enter like 2-3 times in the same trade. There's a very high chance you just end up over trading and revenge trading, and these days can easily lead you to blowing your entire account. So yeah. So I did take an L over here, and then it is what it is. I didn't really care because I still had a very strong bias to go long. We had a 5-minute, so we had a 1-minute inversion here actually. Now that I think, yeah, we had a 1-minute inversion here. Yeah, inversion to fair value gap. I entered a 1 long. Yeah, we kind of went straight up, and I took partials immediately. We instantly took out London high, which was very good to see. Yeah, and we had another 5-minute inversion right here, which is where I entered another position over here, and I essentially was targeting Asia highs. This was kind of like right before CPI as well. And I also mentioned in the group that, guys, like I'm going to extend my TP to like 82 just because of what I said earlier in the trend line, that most of these trend lines end up getting taken out. So I mean, I'll try to attach some screenshots at the end or some like a video so you guys can see like what I sent to the group as well. But yeah, I mean, it was a lot of consolidation. It's just to be expected, like pre-CPI. Like imagine just sitting through this and it's just chopping around. But I had a very strong bias, and I was like, okay, fine, if this doesn't end up playing out, I don't mind. I'd rather hold like all the way up there. So I did take some parcels though, and yeah, I did take parcels on the way because, you know, CPI day, you never know. And yeah, we just very quickly hit that 82 mark and then kind of like instantly reversed after that. And as soon as that was done, I just closed the charts. Yeah, there were more opportunities to go long in New York. We had the nice 5-minute bullish engulfing candle, which I did not partake in. I mean, yeah, over here, because I mean, my main targets are already hit. I mean, yeah, so there's literally no reason to like be trading on like a Friday afternoon in New York session. That session usually has a lot of a lot of fugazi going on as well. So you just look at this consolidation, it's crazy. Yeah, here was the 5-minute bullish engulfing candle, and then boom, as soon as we had the close, we just like took off and then reversed right up right before 4,800. So yeah, this is just one of many other trade recaps. I think we've done more than that. We had this is a 4-day trading week. We had I think 7 hour on Tuesday, and this is like another 5 hour as well. So I think we're like close to 15 hour, 18 hour on the week. Yeah, I'm not exactly sure because I do send some of the setups on the free public Telegram, and I send all of the setups on the paid VIP as well. So I would say roughly 18 hour on the public, sorry, on the VIP Discord, and roughly I would say 14 hour on the free public Telegram. So if something that you're interested in, check out the first link in the description below. There's no strings attached. You can join my Telegram for free. I mean, literally giving out free money, free setups. Yeah, I mean, if you really want to make it in trading and you're a hard worker, you can literally study all of my setups since July 2024. I haven't deleted anything, and you can literally backtest that on the charts, and literally you won't even need me anymore. So yeah.